Last day in Thailand.
Yep.
We just left Steve and Karen's apartment and we're on our way to the airport.
We're special today. We got fast passes to get through. I don't know if you can see, but it's busy.
Probably didn't need it except for the bags.
Our bags are a little heavier than the 7 kilos.
So yeah, 7 kilos limit. And
Yeah.
that's not a whole lot for a month. So.
No, it's tough.
In case you missed our last episode, we loaded Saoirse onto a cargo ship. We expect the trip to take about a month to get to Italy, and already being in Southeast Asia, we figured we'd take the time to visit Cambodia and Vietnam.
We've arrived in Cambodia. Pandan leaf drinks. Really nice. Here's the pool. And our own little private balcony area. This is our room. It's a really big room. And it's hot here. It's a different heat. It's a very dry heat. And try some local food. And this place is a restaurant / crazy art gallery. Awesome. This is our chariot for today, and our driver Rassi. Nice to meet you. We started off our Cambodia adventure with visiting the famous temple of Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is an architectural masterpiece and the largest religious monument in the world, covering an area 4 times the size of Vatican City. It was built by the Khmer king in the first half of the 12th century, making Angkor Wat almost 900 years old. It's a little bit toasty today. Side looks neat. Angkor Wat was originally built as a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu, reflecting the strong influence of Hinduism in the Khmer Empire. Over the centuries, as Buddhism gained prominence in the region, the temple transformed into a Buddhist site, making it a blend of Hindu and Buddhist traditions. Angkor Wat is a symbol of Cambodian national pride and identity. It is featured on Cambodia's national flag, and the image of the temple is deeply embedded in the culture and history of the country. It is a powerful reminder of the Khmer Empire's glory. Super intricate. It's kind of straight down. People up there are finding the staircase pretty steep.
Actually starts
At the other end.
corner on the right there, and then it goes through 4 cosmic phases or 3 cosmic phases, and then this one, which is like the only one that has influence of man in it.
It's almost like they painted them, maybe.
Rubbings. Maybe they did like a brass rubbing or something.
Could be.
Brass.
It's actually not as busy as I thought it was going to be. Expected kind of shoulder to shoulder with people. It's pretty cool, right, Kevin?
It's such a big place that really there's room for lots and lots of people here. The busiest place was
True.
the taller central tower. Kind of had to wait for the stairs, but even then it's not half as bad as a lot of places in Europe.
Yeah.
You know, everybody's saying how busy this place gets, and then it's a weekend, it's going to be busy, but it's not so bad.
No, not at all. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Trying to take her hat. Monkeys. Never trust a monkey. This place is kind of like a maze. Where did you go? There you are. This is the Elephant Terrace Temple. No. These are all giant elephants on the wall here.
Wow, yeah.
If I can show you.
Most people probably don't even see them.
Elephant trunk here. Some of these are a little bit spooky looking. A little bit sinister looking. Going up. Well, they're kind of big stairs. Ooh. There's more stairs. So this is a restaurant, and you can dine on this platform here. With your food in the middle. It's kind of cool. Or you can pick a table. We ordered a side dish, veggies. It's a platter. Look at how big this thing is. Stuff from Temple. Lara Croft Tomb Raider Temple. He's smiling. We continued to visit the temples of Angkor area, and I must admit, they all started to blend together. Everything was so ornate and beautiful that it was becoming difficult to differentiate one temple from the next. We ended the day with a cool swim in the pool to prepare us for more temples tomorrow. Yesterday we did temples in Angkor Wat by tuk-tuk or remorque. Today we're biking. Having some fun doing some cycling. It's been a while. Kevin's pretending to be one of the lions.
Might be some of the only ones here.
We might be alone right now at the temple. Part of Cambodia is actually pretty flat. Siem Reap, so far it seems flat. So the hills, anywhere there's a hill, there's a temple on it. Many of the carvings and statues in Angkor Wat have been refurbished, and if you look at these statues, you'll notice their heads are new.
In addition to the 402-acre Angkor Wat complex, the surrounding area, known as Angkor, is approximately 400 square kilometers. And within this region, there are countless other temples, water features, reservoirs, canals, and other areas of archaeological and artistic significance.
It's pretty nice here. Not really what I would think of as jungle.
Kurt, you can train for your triathlon on these roads.
Good.
Fantastic.
This side of the temple and just getting around on bicycles seems to be the way to go. It's way less busy. And it's pretty. Small doors. Watch your head. I guess. A lot of headless statues. Changing from Hindu to Buddhist and back. It's very elaborate everywhere. Tell me, what are we looking at?
A Garuda. So a Garuda, this thing is... They have them all around the outside of the city. 72 of them, I think.
Yeah.
And they're like some kind of a bird-man cross figure.
It's a protector, or what is...
Yeah,
I forget.
You defeated these like hooded serpent things, and it's supposed to be, some stories say, like lifting the city up into the cosmos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks cool.
So you can adopt one of these by paying $25,000. And
You can.
that's supposed to help restore it. I think this one was adopted, but then you still see it's kind of destroyed.
Yeah.
A little bit rough shape.
They definitely like pork here. There's a few spots at the grills, and they've got like half a pig on them.
Pink's going here.
Yeah. So many temples. Next time, we spend our last day in Siem Reap learning about efforts to clear mines and unexploded ordnance, as well as meet the heroes responsible. Then, we head to Phnom Penh for a few days before making our way to Vietnam. Thanks for watching.